ready for concrete?
Oh yeah, just so looking forward to this.
It's Katie Curtis of Inspired Video Marketing. I wanted to help out my dad today, and we are pumping concrete because what I used to do is build Legendary Escape swimming pools. And the concrete truck came and it is stuck. I don't know what we're gonna do, if he can weasel his way out or if we can get the excavator and like push him up a bit. Something's gotta happen. We gotta figure this out because we are pumping at a house renovation today. Wish us luck. Give me a thumbs up. So, yes, Legendary Escapes is crazy. Yes, we pump concrete in the middle of winter. And yes, it's okay to use an iPhone for your video marketing. Just a tip there. If we had a reality TV show now, this would be like primetime drama. The cement truck has now stalled. We're gonna make it through, like always, but oh my gosh, what an adventure. What a day to come back. Update,
Nothing with concrete goes according to plan.
Doesn't seem that way. Concrete truck is still stuck. Hey, that rhymes. We are going to pump concrete into wheelbarrows and attempt to wheel it. So. Okay, we're kind of fighting it. Oh, no, it's. We did it! Can you see I'm all dirty? It was interesting. Let me show you. We still gotta stamp it, do a few things. But, it looks like once the concrete truck was emptied, he was able to move. So that is awesome. Pull it, pull it. You see that? That is some right there. Almost done. I was in charge of cleanup. You can see the pump, the hoses. It's kind of a sloppy mess, but it's clean. Now let's go take a look at what the patio looks like. Keep it up. I'm gonna go.
You again.
And you thought you got rid of me.
Yeah.
Angie, how'd it go?
We got her done! And it feels good, but I ache all over.
Yeah, did it go the way you expected it to?
When does concrete ever go the way we expect it to do? We always have to plan for the screw-ups. But got it done and it looks good.
Amen.
Amen.
I hope you enjoyed a day in the life of Katie and Karen. I'll see you later.